raisin with chicken, mushroom and cream. Hey guys, we just got to Mount Fuji. We caught the 8:30 bus but only got here at 12:30 because of a road accident. So if you want to come to Mount Fuji, I highly recommend catching a 6 a.m. bus. We didn't have a choice because we got here. We landed at 6:30. But now we got some food from 7-Eleven and sitting in a random corner because we didn't know where to sit. And then Mount Fuji, thankfully, the weather's really good. So at least it's a pro to all of this. Can't really show you Mount Fuji's, but it's around the corner. God, we just left Fuji Q. It's right behind us. It was actually so much more fun than I thought. There's so many big roller coasters. We didn't get to ride on every one of them. We only got to ride on one of them. Now we're heading to Fujiyawa Onsen, which is actually just behind the theme park, I believe. But there's no train, there's no bus, so you have to walk over, which is a 25-minute walk. But yeah. This is the Fujiyawa Onsen. It's right behind Fuji Q. Oh, so pretty. Today is day 2 in Japan. We're going to go to Shinjuku, Harajuku, Shibuya. We have a booking at 2:30 to make a ring making class at Ringram today. And then, what else is there? We also booked my tent for dinner today. Other than that, we're just going to walk around and shop around. Can you come with us?
Let's get it.
The girls are going shopping. Hello. Hello. And Linus. Linus. We're going shopping. We're going to Donkey. The mega Donkey. Donkey. We're gonna stick out here now. We're gonna do lots of shopping. We left the boys in the hotel because they would be whining. Mega Donkey. There's 7 levels. No, there's 9 levels. Ooh. This is Oh, very nice.
J'aime sentir la musique. Je peux sentir le jazz, ça me fait quelque chose.
Et la musique classique, ça vous fait quelque chose?
Enfin, tellement, la musique classique c'est pour la tête un peu. Et le jazz c'est pour le corps.
Ça vous excite? Il y a un rythme.
Oh wait, it's recording. Oh, that's embarrassing. This one? Okay, I think I can put this and just do it. Good morning. Today's the last day we are in Tokyo. Right now we're checking out the Sotetsu Fresa Ginza hotel. This hotel room is pretty small, but I think that's just most hotel rooms in Japan. Today we're gonna go to Shimokitazawa and Koenji to go thrifting, and then tonight we're gonna catch an overnight bus to Hakuba. Doing that we save like a night account, but I'm low-key dreading it. But yeah, I'm gonna be sleeping on the bus tonight. Hello from an onsen. Last night currently at an onsen. We're at the restaurant right now. All our friends want to go shopping in Shinjuku, Shibuya, but we were just really tired and feeling under the weather, so we decided to go to onsen in Shinjuku. It's called Terumayu. It was actually so nice. Way better than the Fuji onsen that we went to the other day. This one, inside they have three hot baths, 2 sauna, 1 cold bath, and on the outside there's 1 big hot bath, another one to lie down, and then they have 3 mini hot tubs where you can like sit in like a single person hot tub. It was so cute. I could honestly fall asleep, but yeah, gotta eat. So. That's huge. What the hell?
It's ginormous. Look at this.
Wait, I don't think it can. That's actually huge.
Curry udon.
Curry udon. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we both got udon. Oh my god, that's actually such a big bowl. I don't think people can tell. It's like huge. Anyways, I was saying, but yeah, if you're in Shinjuku and you want to go onsen, I highly recommend. It's so cozy. There was a give us grandma fit that we had paid for, but I wish the fit was cuter. It's actually kind of ugly, but it is what it is. Yeah, now we're gonna eat. Hey guys, it's Em here. I didn't really vlog much for the rest of my trip in Hakuba, so I thought I'll do a quick video now to talk about my time in Hakuba. We were there for 5 days to go skiing, but unluckily there wasn't enough snow. We still managed to go skiing a couple days, but the snow was very icy and it hurt when you fall. We were there on the second week of December, and even then there wasn't much snow at all. We were actually just 1 week too early, unfortunately. So one thing we did learn there is that Hakuba usually have a slower start to the snow season. So if you want to go skiing early winter in Japan, I highly recommend going to Hokkaido instead to guarantee the snow. We still had a good time nonetheless because we booked a really nice Airbnb. Like, it had an onsen in there, so it was still a relaxing time. And then for one of the days that the rain washed off all the snow, we were able to rent a car and go to Nagano Snow Monkey Park to look at snow monkeys in the onsen. They were super cute. But yeah, thank you for watching so far, and hope you enjoyed the rest of the video.